Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to sell on Lazada Singapore or how to drop ship products if you are from Singapore. So here, the first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser. Then we have to open our Shopify store, Lazada, and then the Importify. Okay, so as you can see, I have here my Shopify store. Just have to open it, and then here we also have the Importify and then the Lazada. So you just have to log in to these platforms. Okay, so right here on Shopify, you just have to click on the apps option, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Importify. We need to install this application to our Shopify store. Okay, so you'd be able to see this applications. You just have to install it, and then you have to subscribe to a plan in order for you to access the full feature of this application. So just have to install it, and then after that we can now start using this application to drop ship product from Lazada. Okay, so this is our Shopify store, the Importify, and then Lazada. So let me just close this section, and let's try to search for a product that we can import to our Shopify store. Okay, for example, let's try to find phone cases. For example, this one. Okay, so as you can see, we have this icon at the top left of our screen. So if we click on it, we can add this product to our Shopify store. But in order for you to have that kind of feature on your browser, we have to install the extension, which is the Importify extension. So you just have to open a new tab and then search for it, and then you'd be able to see this result. So you just have to click on this website. Now you just have to add this to the browser that you are using. So you just have to click on the button at the top right. Then once done, we have to pin the extension to this browser. So just click on the extension icon at the top right, and then pin the Importify extension. And after that, you can now close this tab and go back to Lazada and search for another product that you can drop ship. So I think I am going to search for table. Okay, and then if you find the table that you want to import to your Shopify store, just have to click on it, and then you can see now the add icon at the top left. So just have to click on it, and then after that, you'll be able to see here now the full details of the product. So we have the description, the variants, and then the images. So here, just have to add it to our store, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then once done, you can now go back to your Shopify store and start customizing the product. So here, this is my Shopify store. Go to the product section and click on the product that you want to customize. Okay, so for example, this one, as you can see, we don't have description of the product, but we can manually create a description for this one. So we can also ask an assistant with the built-in AI. So you just have to provide the needed information so we can generate our own description. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.